Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we are gonna study ending consonant 미음. 오늘은 저희가 미음 받침을 배워볼 거예요. Then let's get started. 미음이 글자 아래에 붙으면 어떤 소리가 날까요? That means what would be the pronunciation of ending consonant 미음? 글자를 한자씩 읽고 따라 써요. Read and write the letters one by one. So this is 미음. We're writing 1, 2, 3, right? So we learned 미음 is, for example, 나, 무. 나무 was tree in Korean. So, 미음 was pronunciation is am, right? And also on ending consonants, its pronunciation is am. Okay, so let's have a look. So this is 고, 기역 plus o is 고 plus ending consonant 미음. 고 plus 미음 is 곰. Okay, 고옴. So this is 곰. Writing 곰. So we just saying last one 곰. 곰 is bear. Bear in Korean is 곰. 한국어로 bear은 곰이에요. 곰, bear, okay? Like brown bear, polar bear, like that. Bear. It's just 곰. Next one. This is 파, because 비읍 is B and A is A. 파 plus 미음 is 밤. So this is 밤. Because 밤. Just saying 밤. Okay. 밤 is chestnut. Chestnut in Korean is 밤. Okay. Look at the pictures. 밤. I like 밤. I like 밤 in Korean is 나는 밤을 좋아해요. I like 밤. And last one. This is 추, because 치읓, ch plus 우 is 추, and 추 plus 미음 is 춤. So this is 춤. 춤 is dance. Dance in Korean is 춤. Okay? And next page. So this is saying, so this is 그 plus 미음 is 그. So 미음 is am. 그음. So this is 금. Okay? 그음 is 금. You know, 금 is gold. Gold in Korean is 금. 금. And this is 다 because 디귿 plus is 디귿. 디귿 plus is 다 plus is 다 담. You know, 담 in Korean is word. Word in Korean is 담, sorry. Word in Korean is 담. Because 다 plus 미음 is 담. 담 is wall. Next one. This is 소 because 시옷 s plus o is 소. 소옴. So this is 솜. 솜. 솜 is cotton. Cotton is 솜. So 소옴, right? 솜. 솜. 솜 is cotton. And this is 서 because 시옷 plus is 서엄. So 섬. Okay? 섬. 섬 is island. Island in Korean is 섬. Okay? 섬. And last one. This is he. 이것은 he입니다. Because he, h plus e is I. he, im. So this is him, right? Him. And this is him in Korean is power. Power in Korean is him. Him. He, him. Okay? I'm gonna say everything one more time. Bear in Korean is 곰. Chestnut in Korean is 밤. Dance in Korean is 춤. And gold in Korean is 금. And wool in Korean is 담. And cotton in Korean is 솜. Island in Korean is 섬. And power in Korean is 힘. Okay? So thank you for watching my videos. If you like these, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 고마워요, 여러분. Bye.